Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen boneless wings in the air fryer. So we just need a box of frozen boneless wings and a non-stick cooking spray so they don't stick to the air fryer. So I'm going to open a box of boneless wings. And now I'll take out the air fryer gasket and I will spray the bottom with a non-stick cooking spray. As an alternative to cooking spray, you can also brush the inside of the basket with vegetable oil. And now I'm going to put frozen boneless wings in the air fryer in a single layer. So as you can see, they're frozen solid, no need to defrost. So just try to make it so they're not on top of each other for more even cooking. And now I'm going to put it in the air fryer. And now let's set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these delicious boneless wings. They're perfectly cooked, so nicely browned. They look amazing. Now let me put them on my plate. Look how crispy they are. Delicious, crunchy, crispy breading and perfectly cooked inside. Let me just cut one. See? Perfectly cooked inside. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. Perfect. They're crispy on the outside and perfectly cooked, soft and tender inside. You're going to love cooking boneless wings in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!